Hello guys, today we are going to have some potato salad. Very simple but tasty. Make sure you give this recipe a try because you will love it. So please do well to subscribe, click on the bell icon, like and share this video. Let's get started. So I have my sweet potato well washed and chopped. Make sure that you add vinegar to the water to wash it so that your potato does not discolor. Do you get it? So we are going to cook this. I have water on fire. I'm going to pour in my chopped potatoes, add salt to it, cover and let it cook. So I'm going to make use of carrot, cucumber, onions. I'm going to make use of red and green bell pepper. I also use some spring onions and lettuce. Yes, I also use mayonnaise and boiled eggs as well as black and white pepper. So let's check on our potato. Our potato is cooked. We don't want it to be very tender, so this is okay. But before then, I'm going to add my veggies to it just to parboil them a little. You're not going to cook this for them to be tender, no, just a little parboiling. So I'll take it off fire and drain the water. This is it. You see, the vegetables are still crunchy. So we have our mixing bowl. I'll pour everything in and then we are going to start. I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. Yes, please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as also well. Do well to click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. So I'm adding black pepper, white pepper. These are not hot. They give the salad some nice flavor. I'm adding salt also to it. Do you get it? It makes the aroma very sweet. So this is our salad cream. I'm adding a little bit of sugar, which is optional. This salad cream is Jago. It has zero sweetener in it. Okay, so we are going to add mayonnaise to it. There are some mayonnaise that already contains sweetener. I use this particular Jago, this particular mayonnaise for my weight loss. I also added boiled eggs to it, but this one is not for weight loss. Okay, so I added just a little bit of sugar, and so this is I'm sprinkling some sweet corn on it and green peas also on it. So this is our potato salad. I'm going to package this for my special guest. Do you get it? So I added baked beans also to it. I used the rest of the boiled eggs to garnish it. I spring some spring onions on it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.